Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2009 Toyota Camry, we're gonna be changing the headlight lenses. Let's get started. To replace our headlight lens, we have to replace our whole housing. But don't worry, it's not too bad. To get access to our mounting bolts, we have to move our bumper forward. Let's start with that. We have a screw right here. So this is just a Phillips. We'll get that in there. Not too bad. Come over to the other side. Same thing, we got a Phillips here. Now mine weren't too bad pulling out, but sometimes they like to stick. Before we strip it out, I recommend getting an impact driver with a number 2 Phillips. You just stick the bit on our screw, you hit it with a hammer, and that'll break it loose. I don't have to use this very often, but it does come in handy. Now we have one more bolt for this top piece. If we come to the middle, it's a 10mm. Buzz this out. Now that our bolts are removed, we just have 2 clips that also need to come out. For that, we can use anything. We're just pushing in on this center. So push down, that releases it, and then we'll just pop it up. So we're just pushing in on that top tab, and that's it. To reset it, we'll push on this center back up, just like that. And then to lock it in, once it's back in, we just push this down flush. And that's it. So we'll just pop this in the center, and we'll do the same thing to the other side, and it's just the second one in. We don't need this outer one, just the second one in on both sides. Now we're in the wheel well. I have the tire turned all the way to one side to give us better access. We have this clip right here to remove. For that, we'll use a flat screwdriver. Right now that slot is vertical. We're just gonna turn it horizontal. And it doesn't matter if we turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. As long as it's horizontal, we'll get behind it. We'll pop out. There we go. Now we'll just separate our plastic. We have to get right up here. Let me re-angle you. So right up here by this crease, we'll fold this back. Get in there just like that. And there's a 10mm right here. All right, that's it. Let me move you back a little. So now on this side, we could just pull it, and it already kind of separated, but we just pull it back. We'll do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll go to the front and separate our bumper skin. We just have our clip. We'll turn that, pull it out. And then up here, let me get a little screwdriver to pull that plastic back. There we go. Got our 10mm. Pull on this, pop it out. Just like that. Now in the front, we're just gonna pull this metal up, and then right in the middle really has to come up, but we just pull it up over that center bar. Keep this coming out with us. There we go. There, we're in front of that center bar. Just keep pulling on it. Keep pulling on it. There we go. We just have that styrofoam in there, has to come out or come off. Let me show you a little closer. So if we just go right in here, you can see this styrofoam here. It's up on this metal piece, and we just need it to come down with the bumper, and then now it's in front of it. So that's it. So that's all the further we need to go. We have a 10mm up here. We have a 10mm right in here. I'll use an extension. Don't drop it. There it is. And we have a 10mm right here on the side. Use a little magnet to pull that out. And that should be it. We'll pop up on this tab with a screwdriver. And everything should slide forward. And then once we're forward, we can get our electrical connectors. Let me move you around. So right here in the back, we'll just pinch, push down. And then we'll pinch, push down on the inner one. And then on these, again, pinch, pull off. This little side one is a little harder to pinch. So I'm gonna just twist it, pull it out. Then we'll turn it over a little more, that we have some room. And we just have this wiring harness. We just need to pull up and separate like that. That should be it. So now we have the opportunity to reuse our old bulbs. If they're good bulbs, good brand, and you want to transfer them over, nothing wrong with that. Or if your new housing didn't come with new bulbs, then we'll want to swap these over. Nothing to it, we'll just twist them. We'll go counterclockwise, just pop them out. Just like that. And then to put them in, we'll just do the opposite. We'll twist it up, and that's it. All of them are the same, just twist and pull. Even these little ones on the ends, twist, pull out, same thing. Once you've done that, let's install it. Installation is just the reverse order. So we'll put these in, Just kind of fit it like that. We'll plug all our connectors in. Just push them on until you hear them click. Put this harness on that plastic piece. Slide this on. Make sure this side lines up really good. And then we'll get this pushed in and over that little screw piece. There we go. Now our bolts were two different kinds. This one goes on the side, these go in the top. Bolt them down. Don't have to be too tight, just good and snug. Especially up here, this is just plastic. We don't want to over tighten them and strip our plastic. Got the extension for this one. It's that easy. We'll go to the other side, do the same thing. So we'll unbolt, pop up our top, pull this out. We'll undo our electrical connectors, twist off this last one. That's it. We got our new lens with our bulbs of choice. Kind of get that set in. We'll plug them in till they click. Put that harness retainer on. We always want to aim this side in first. Push this tab on up here. Oh, look at that, was helpful. All right, now let's turn the headlights on just to make sure they all work, blinkers and everything. Regular lights, high beams. Right, left. Nice. Now to put our bumper back on, we'll just take this in the center. We'll pull up. We'll get that styrofoam up and over that piece. There we go. There. We'll just push this back a little. There we go. Over here, we'll just tap this in. Same thing over here. Get that tapped in. Put these pieces in. Just snug, they don't have to be too tight. Put our two clips in on the side. Push this over so the holes line up if you need. Push that center down until it's flush. We have our 10mm in the center. Just snug. Need to pop this out real quick. There we go. Then we'll push this in up here. Get this in. Now this is just going into plastic, so not too tight. And we'll take our plastic, bend it in so it goes behind our bumper. It should bend pretty easily. All the way down. There. Now down here, we have this clip that goes in horizontal. Move our plastic so it lines up. And then we'll turn it vertical, and that'll lock it. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. We're done. One more thing, just in case you need it, I'll show you where the adjustment screw is. So on the back of our housing, right here is our low beam, that's our high beam, and right in between is our adjustment screw. Now this only adjusts up or down. It doesn't adjust left or right, that's fixed. So just up or down. So get that in the spot you want it, take it for a test drive at night, make sure it's not aimed too low or too high, and that's it. Good job. All in all, not too bad. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. See you on the next one.